Our bodies need to be charged just like our phones. The body battery feature on Garmin watches allows you to check your body energy at any time. In the glance loop, body battery is displayed as a score from 5 to 100, with a high score indicating that the body has sufficient energy, and a low score indicating that the body needs rest and recovery. The watch detects your heart rate variability, and activity level to replenish your body's energy during sleep and consume energy during daily activities. If you find that your body does not recharge enough when you wake up, it may mean that your sleep quality is poor. If your body uses energy more quickly during daily activities, it may mean that you have been more physically active that day. When the watch does not detect your heart rate, body battery will pause calculations and estimate possible recharge or consumption. When it detects your heart rate again, this may not be true for you, so we recommend that you continue to wear your watch. Please click on the link in the description below to learn more about body battery.